One of the biggest questions I get asked is, Freddie, I've been in business before. I've tried different things, different sales opportunities, whether it's network marketing, direct sales. Can I do well with digital marketing and with this digital marketing program you're promoting, this interactive training, if you will? And my answer is yes. And I firmly believe, I heard a quote a long time ago that says, it doesn't matter where you're coming from, all that matters is where you're going, right? You can't go back and make a brand new start, but you can start from now and have a brand new ending, right? And so with this platform, guys, it is a done for you, copy and paste type system that if you can basically take some time and listen and apply what you're told, you can start getting some results. And as you've seen in previous videos, you can get daily pay. For some people it's a little, for some people it's a lot. It's up to you. You set it up. All I know is if you're looking at this video, you're probably curious and you may be very serious about making some life changes right now for you and your family. And if that's you, my number one encouragement is for you to comment, send info below, go to my website, digitalpaysmedaily.com, enter your email, and look forward to connecting with you. Take care, God bless, and you make it a great day.